Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on the channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting the subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So the new data updated you today is that Junior Kai said on Samkelo Zwane. Samkelo Zwane connects be a holding midfielder. He is any attacking midfielder, and he needs to show more consistency. On Saturday, he played very well under a coach and made no mistakes. In my opinion, he was the man of the match. Although Hlongwane did score brace, it was the first time I watched him play under a proper coach. I want to see more from him. I would be great to see him under a coach who understands him very well. So if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.